Welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss division of polynomials. Here the first division is division of monomial with monomial. In standard 8 we have to discuss three types of division of polynomials. First division is division of monomial with monomial. Division of monomial we can say monomial by monomial. So what is monomial? Monomial is the type of polynomial in which only one term is there. Clear? So let's start with the question number 1. First question is divide polynomial 12 x square y cube by 3xy. So how to perform this division? So for the division of this polynomial, it's a monomial by monomial. You have to write the monomials in numerator by denominator form. Akshar. So here first you have to consider the coefficient of the terms, that is constant part. So you have to divide that constant part, that is 12 by 3. So cutting is 3 4s are 12, and then you have to consider the variable parts. So here variables are x square y cube upon xy. So if you consider x square by x, so these two terms are in division, they are in power form and their base are equal. It's a x square upon x1, x raised to 1, and y cube upon y. So two power forms are in division. Here their base are equal, so you can perform the subtraction of that power. So x square upon x will be x, and here y cube upon y, it's a y raised to 3 minus 1, so y square. Done. This is the division of monomial with monomial. Clear, students? Let's do one more sum. Question number 2. So here we have to divide 36 ABC square by minus 9AC. Third sum, in which you have to divide minus 60 p square q square r square by minus 12 pq r square. And fourth sum, in which you have to divide 25x square y z by 3xyz. Let's solve all the sums one by one. Here 36ab square by minus 9ac. So first you have to write this monomial in numerator by denominator form. So it will be 36 ABC square upon minus 9 AC. So here constant part 36 and 9. So 9 4s are 36, plus minus minus. So it's a minus 4. A will be cut. B, no change in the B, and c square by c. So c raised to 2 minus 1. So it's a c. Clear? So this is how you can perform the division of these monomials. Now question number 3. Here minus 60 p square q square r square divided by minus 12 p q r square. So numerator is 60 p square q square r square divided by minus 12 p q r square. So this one minus minus plus 12 5 are 60. So our answer is 5 p square by p. So p raised to 1 power is there. So 2 minus 1 and p into p divided by p. 1 p is cut. So p raised to 1 will be there. Same way q square by q. So q will be there. R square cut. So our answer is pick q. 5 pick q. Done. अभी सबको समझ में आ गया है division of polynomials. So here 25 x square yz upon 3 xyz. तो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बार जो कांस्टेंट पार्ट है उसका कटिंग हो ही जाए, है ना. यहाँ पर कुछ कटिंग नहीं होगा तो इसको हम ऐसे ही रहने देंगे. 25/3 x square by x y will be cut, z will be cut. So our answer is 25/3. Clear students? So this is how you can perform division of monomial with monomial. Pause the video and note it down. Okay students, now you have to study division of polynomial with monomial. Division of polynomial by monomial. So how to perform this type of division? So again, question number 1. So here we have to divide 5x cube minus 30x square plus 45x by 5x. Sum number 2, 8x square y square minus 6x y square plus 10x square y cube by 2xy. Third sum, 4x cube plus 8x square minus x by minus 2x. Fourth, 10a square b minus 6ab plus 12ab square by 3ab. So let's try to solve these sums one by one. First step, you have to write the polynomials in numerator by denominator form. So this will be 5x cube minus 30x square plus 45x divided by 5x. Now for the division of this polynomial with this monomial, now you have to write this divisor polynomial. This is known as dividend polynomial. This is known as divisor polynomial. You have to write this divisor polynomial separately for all the terms in this numerator. So here we can write this 5x cube upon 5x minus 30x square by 5x plus 45x by 5x. So this is equal to 5 cut, x cube by x is x square, 5 6 are 30, x cut, it's a minus 6x, x cut, 5 9s are 45 plus 9. Done. So this is how you can perform the division of this polynomial by monomial. Now for this one, again this is one polynomial, 3 terms are there. This is monomial. So first you have to write these given polynomials, that is dividend polynomial and divisor polynomial, in numerator upon denominator form. So it's 8 x square y square minus 6 x y square plus 10 x square y cube divided by 2xy. Done. Now writing this denominator separately for all the terms in the numerator. So it will be 8 x square y square upon 2xy minus 6x y square upon 2xy plus 10 x square y cube upon 2xy. Now students, this is nothing but the division of monomial by monomial, है ना. मोनोमियल बाय मोनोमियल डिवीजन के टोटल 3 सम हो गए. अभी इसको आपको सेपरेटली सॉल्व करना है. सो इट्स 2 4 जा 8. सो इट्स 4 एक्स स्क्वायर बाय एक्स. सो इट्स एक्स वाई स्क्वायर बाय वाई. इट्स वाई माइनस 2 3 जा 6 एक्स एक्स कट. सो इट्स 3 वाई स्क्वायर बाय वाई. सो वाई प्लस 2 5 जा 10. So it's 5 x square by x, x y cube by y. So y cube, y raised to 3 minus y power is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So y square will be there. Y square will be there. Done. Very good. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. 4x cube plus 8x square minus x by minus 2x. So क्या होगा? It will be 4x cube plus 8x square minus x divided by minus 2x. Now writing this denominator separately for all the terms in numerator. So it will be 4x cube upon minus 2x plus 8x square upon minus 2x minus x minus 2x. So this minus 2x will change the sign. So 2 2s are 4, x will be cut. So it's a minus 2x square. Minus 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 plus minus 2 4s are 8, x square upon x. It's a x. So it's a 4x minus minus plus x will be cut. So it's a 1 upon 2. Clear? Last sum. This one is, what is numerator by denominator form? It will be 10 a square b minus 6ab plus 12 ab square divided by 3ab divided by 3ab. So this is equal to 10 a square b upon 3ab minus 6ab upon 3ab plus 12 ab square upon 3ab. So this is equal to 10 by 3, a cut b cut. So it's a 10 by 3 a. 3 2s are 6, ab cut. So it's a minus 2 and 3 4s are 12, a cut b. So it's a plus 4b. Done. So this is how you can perform division of monomial, division of polynomial by monomial. Done. Try some more sums by yourself from the NCERT textbook as well as NCERT examiner. Done. Pause the video and note it down. Okay, now third case, that is division of polynomial with polynomial. So how to perform this type of division? First step, you have to write the given polynomials in numerator by denominator form. So it will be x square plus 12x plus 35. Divide this polynomial by this x plus 7. Now this type of division can be performed by two methods. First by using factorization method, and second is by using long division method. So that long division method that you will study in your 9th standard. Clear? So now we have to perform the division by using factorization. So numerator, the polynomial can be factorized by splitting this middle term, and we have studied the factorization of polynomial by splitting the middle term. So how it can be factorized? So for this type of polynomial, we have to consider factors of 35 whose addition is 12. So which are the factor of 35 whose addition is 12? 5 7s are 35. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So this middle term 12 can be split as 7x plus 5x. Done? So that is the factorization. So x square plus this one is 5x plus 7x plus 35 upon this one x plus 7. Done? Now here for numerator, this is first group, this is second group. It can be factorized by taking common from these first two terms. We can take x common. So x is common. The remaining terms are x plus 5. From these last two terms, 7 is common. So taking plus 7 common, the remaining terms are x plus 5 and divided by x plus 7. So now here from numerator we can take this entire bracket, that is x plus 5 as a common. X plus 5 common, remaining terms are x plus 7 divided by x plus 7. So here you can see that this x plus 7 will be cut. So our answer is x plus 5. Done? So this is division of polynomial by polynomial by using factorization. By using factorization. One more sum. Divide this 6x square minus 13x plus 6 by this polynomial 2x minus 3. So this is again the case of division of polynomial by polynomial. So first you have to write the numerator by denominator form. So it will be 6x square minus 13x plus 6 divided by 2x minus 3. Again splitting the middle term. For that you have to multiply the coefficient of this x square with the 6. So 6 6 are 36. Now you have to consider factors of 36 whose addition is 13. So it's a 9 4s are 36. 9 plus 4 13. And we require minus 13. So splitting the middle term is minus 9x minus 4x. So it's a 6x square minus 9x 9 minus 4x plus 6 upon 2x minus 3. This is equal to, now first two terms, last two terms. So from these first two terms we can take 3x as a common. We can take 3x common. 3 2s are 6. So remaining terms are 2x minus 3. Here we can take minus 2 common. So it's a 2x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 3. Done? Now again from this numerator we can take 2x minus 3 common. 2x minus 3 common. Remaining terms are 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 divided by 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 will be cut out. So our answer is 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 is the answer. Done? Now this one 13 number. So here it's a 12x cube. 12x cube minus 20x square minus 9x plus 15 divided by 3x minus 5 is there. 4 terms are there. So you can take the group of first two terms and last two terms. So from the first two terms we can take 4 common and x common. So 4x is the common term. 4x, or you can say 4x square is the common term. So remaining terms are 4 3s are 12, 3x and 4 5s are 20, 3x minus 5. And here from the last two term we can take minus 3 common. So it's a 3 3s are 9, 3x minus 5 whole divided by 3x minus 5. So again from numerator we can take this 3x minus 5 common. So it's a 3x minus 5 common. Remaining terms are 4x square minus 3, 4x square minus 3 divided by 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5 cut. So our answer is 4x cube minus 3. 4x square is there actually, 4x square minus 3. Friends, change this question. A cube minus 6a square plus 11a minus 6 is divided by a square minus 5a plus 6 is the right question. So now numerator by denominator form. A cube minus 6x square plus 11a minus 6 divided by a square minus 5a plus 6. So now this is cubic polynomial. So how to factorize this cubic polynomial when sum of the coefficient is 0? So here sum of coefficient is 0. So we can say that a minus 1 is the 0, or you can say a minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. So here writing this polynomial as a minus 1 as a common factor. So it's a cube minus a square, it's a minus 5a square. So we have to take plus 5a. So for plus 5a we have to add 6a minus 6 divided by factors of this a square minus 5a plus 6 is a minus 3, a minus 2. Now here a square is common, so it's a minus 1, minus 5a is common, so it's a minus 1 plus 6 common, a minus 1 divided by a minus 3, a minus 2. Numerator we can take a minus 1 as a common. So remaining terms are a square minus 5a plus 6, a square minus 5a plus 6 डिवाइड बाय, डिवीज़न में हमने फैक्टराइजेशन कर दिया. अगर नहीं किया होता तो क्या होता, न्यूमरेटर में जो था वही डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया है ना, ए स्क्वायर माइनस 5 प्लस 6. So factorization of this a square minus 5 plus 6 is a minus 3 a minus 2. This will be cut. So our answer is a minus 1. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down.